Welcome to Practice English Fast. In today's IELTS preparation series, we'll answer a crucial question: how long should your IELTS speaking answers be? Many test takers struggle with this, and today we'll clear up all confusion with real examples. Let's get started. Before we discuss answer length, let's understand how the IELTS speaking test is structured. The test has 3 parts. Part 1, Introduction and Interview, short answers, but not too short. Part 2, Long Turn, you need to speak for up to 2 minutes. Part 3, Discussion, longer, detailed answers. In Part 1, the examiner will ask simple personal questions like your hobbies, daily life, or preferences. But don't just give one-word answers. Now, let's look at a bad answer. Imagine you're in the IELTS speaking test and the examiner asks, "Examiner, do you like cooking?" Candidate, "Yes." That's too short. It doesn't show fluency or provide enough detail. Let's see how we can improve this. Now, let's see a good answer. Instead of giving a short response, the candidate adds more detail and sounds natural. Examiner, do you like cooking? Candidate, yes, I do. I find cooking relaxing after a long day. I enjoy trying new recipes, especially spicy dishes from different cultures. However, I'm not very good at baking. See the difference? This answer is longer, more engaging, and gives extra information, which helps demonstrate fluency. Aim for 2 to 3 sentences per answer. In Part 2, you will receive a cue card with a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, then speak for up to 2 minutes. The key here is to keep talking until the examiner stops you. Cue card example. Describe a time when you helped someone. Who the person was. What you did. How they reacted. How you felt. Now, let's take a look at a bad answer. I helped my friend with his homework. He was happy. I felt good. Now, let's see an extended good answer. This version gives more details and sounds even more natural. I remember helping my friend Tom with his math homework. He was struggling with algebra, and I offered to explain it to him step by step. We spent an hour together, and he finally understood the topic. When he passed his test, he was so grateful and even treated me to lunch as a thank you. I felt really proud that I could help someone succeed. See? That's how you expand your answer naturally. Use personal stories and examples. Part 3 has more complex questions related to the topic from Part 2. Here, you should give detailed and well-structured responses. Let's compare. Now, let's look at a bad answer. Examiner, do you think teamwork is important? Candidate, yes, it is important because people can work together. This answer doesn't provide enough information. The examiner is looking for more details to assess your language skills. Let's see how we can improve it. Yes, teamwork is very important because it helps people share ideas and complete tasks more efficiently. In a workplace, for example, employees collaborate to solve problems faster. Additionally, teamwork builds communication skills and creates a positive environment. Without teamwork, projects might take much longer to complete. Always explain why and give an example to support your answer. Aim for 4 to 5 sentences. Before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes you should avoid. Answers that are too short. One-word answers won't impress the examiner. Answers that are too long in Part 1. Keep them short and relevant. Speaking too little in Part 2. Push yourself to talk for at least 1.5 minutes. Going off topic in Part 3. Always answer what was asked. And that's it. Now you know exactly how long your IELTS speaking answers should be. Let's review. Part 1. 2 to 3 sentences per answer. Part 2. Speak for up to 2 minutes. Part 3. Give detailed explanations with examples. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to practice English fast, and share this video with other IELTS learners. See you in the next lesson.